Okay, ji, Assalamu alaikum. Now, when we have discussed the sulci and gyri and general considerations of the cerebral hemispheres and cerebral cortex, now we can easily demarcate the lobes. Now, on the supralateral surface, we can see the central sulcus and the lateral sulcus again. So, the lobe of the cerebral hemisphere anterior to the central sulcus and superior to the lateral sulcus will be the frontal lobe. And as it is the frontal lobe, it is occupying the area of the cranial cavity which is made by the frontal bone mainly. Okay. Now for the other lobes, we should make a demarcation line. How? We know that there is the parieto-occipital sulcus. If we draw a straight line from the parieto-occipital sulcus at an angle of 45 degrees, if we draw a line from the parieto-occipital sulcus at an angle of 45 degrees inferiorly, we will reach a point where there is many times a notch, and this notch is called pre-occipital notch. So this line is called the occipital demarcation line. Mind it is an imaginary line. ठीक है, क्योंकि sulcus है, gyrus नहीं है, ये imaginary line है. So it is an imaginary line which is called as occipital demarcation line. And again we can draw another imaginary line from the main direction of the lateral sulcus of Sylvius posteriorly towards the occipital demarcation line. We can then easily demarcate the other lobes of the cerebral hemisphere. The lobe between the central sulcus, lateral sulcus and the two imaginary lines will be the parietal lobe, and it will be associated with the parietal bone necessarily. The lobe anterior to the occipital demarcation line and inferior to the other imaginary line as well as the lateral sulcus will be the temporal lobe associated with the temporal bone. And the lobe which is left and which is posterior to the occipital demarcation line will be then occipital lobe. ठीक है. On the medial surface, we can again mark the main sulci, the central and parieto-occipital sulci, and plus we can also mark the cingulate sulcus and the supraspinatal or subparietal sulcus. Then we can mark the frontal lobe anterior to the central sulcus, the parietal lobe posterior to the central sulcus, the occipital lobe posterior to the parieto-occipital sulcus, and sometimes the parts of the frontal lobe and the parietal lobe as well as some parts of the temporal lobe will form the limbic system. Many times they are forming the limbic system, and sometimes these parts are united and named the limbic lobe. ठीक है, जो फ्रंटल लोब, parietal लोब और टेम्पोरल लोब्स मेनली जो लिम्बिक सिस्टम के कॉर्टिकल पार्ट्स बना रहे थे, उसको कुछ न्यूरो एनाटॉमिस्ट ने लिम्बिक लोब भी कह दिया. ठीक है, ये इट विल कंटेन द सबक्लोजल गायरस, सिंगुलेट गायरस, पैराहिप्पोकैम्पल गायरस एंड अंकस मेनली. Okay. Now for the insula, we know that there will be the lateral sulcus of Sylvius. If we pierce the two lips of the lateral sulcus and look deep within inside, if we pierce the two lips of the lateral sulcus and look deep within inside, we will enter the insula. We will observe the insula. Okay. So the frontal, parietal and the temporal lobes were covering the insula. So they will be contributing some opercula. Operculum is the Latin word which means a lid. So there will be lids on the insula which will be covering the insula. So there are mainly three opercula. The frontal operculum on the frontal lobe, the frontoparietal operculum between the frontal and parietal lobes, and the temporal operculum on the temporal lobe. And these three opercula will form a lid around the insula. ओके, इन्होंने एक लिड बना दी इंसुला पर, तो इंसुला इज प्रोटेक्टेड एंड क्लोज। ठीक है, फ्रंटल ओपर्क्यूलम की एंटीरियर पार्ट को कुछ लोग ऑर्बिटल ओपर्क्यूलम भी कह देते हैं। ठीक है, बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ सिंप्लिसिटी आई हैव नॉट केप्ट इट हियर। ठीक है, इस पार्ट को कुछ लोग ऑर्बिटल ओपर्क्यूलम भी कह देते हैं, बट इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ फ्रंटल ओपर्क्यूलम, इट इज अ extension of frontal operculum. Okay, and now you must have the idea why this part of the inferior frontal gyrus is called the opercular part. ठीक है, because ये operculum में contribute कर रहा है mainly. ठीक है, so here we are at the end, a very important topic and probably a very long topic. So if you have any questions, you can email me, and if you want more videos on this topic and other topics, you can also advise me, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. That's all for now. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.